Hello friends. Welcome back. In today's video we are going to see how to use Secure MQTT with Mosquitto Broker. We will generate self-signed TLS SSL certificates. We are using OpenSSL for this. I am using Windows 11 based machine. I already have OpenSSL installed on my Windows 11. Check the version of OpenSSL using this command. I am continuing with this version. To download OpenSSL on Windows, search Download OpenSSL on Windows in Google. Click on Shining Light Productions website. Download the exe or MSI file and install it on your machine. We will follow these 5 steps to generate CA and server certificates along with their keys. I have created certs folder inside Mosquitto folder where we will save our certificates. Run terminal from here as shown to run the commands. Copy first command to generate ca.key file and paste it in the terminal. Note output file is ca.key. Press enter to execute the command. Enter the pass key. I am entering 1234. Enter the key again for verification. Now ca.key file is generated and you can see this in the folder. Now to generate the CA certificates we will execute this command in the terminal. Note output file name is ca.crt. Press enter to execute the command. Here enter the passkey that is 1234 and press enter. After this we will have to provide some info. Enter your country name. I am writing IN and press enter. Next enter state or province name and will pass this by entering dot and press enter. Pass locality name and press enter. Now enter the name of organization as IoT and press enter. Enter unit name as client and press enter. Enter common name as test and press enter. Pass email address and press enter. Now CA certificate is generated and saved in the folder certs. Now copy this command to generate server or broker key file. Note, output file name is server.key. Press enter to execute the command. Server.key file generated and saved. Next we will generate server.csr file using server key file. Copy the command and paste it in the terminal. Note, output file name is server.csr. Press enter to execute the command. Now enter the some info here. Enter country name as IN and press enter. Pass state or province name by entering dot and press enter. Do same for locality name. Enter organization name as IoT in small case and press enter. Enter unit name as server and press enter key. For common name we will write IP address for our PC. To get IP for your PC, run this command ipconfig. Copy this IP address and paste as common name in other terminal. Now press enter. Now pass email address. Also pass the extra attributes info as we are not sending this server certificate to CA. Now server.csr file is generated and saved in the folder. Now we will generate the server certificate using server.csr, ca.key and ca.crt files as input. Copy this command and paste it in the terminal. Note, out file is server.crt. Now press enter to execute the command. Enter the pass key as 1234. And press enter key. Server certificate is generated and is available in the folder. We will need 3 files, that is server.key, server.crt and ca.crt for mosquitto config file. Now we will switch to mosquitto folder and search for mosquitto.conf file. And open it in the notepad. Save this file as test.conf. Replace all the content in this file with this. We will walk through the info given over here. This broker will listen to insecure port 1883 and secure port 8883. This broker will allow remote communication with this setting. This setting shows the server certificate file name along with the path. This is the actual folder where certificate files are stored. This is CA certificate file name along with path. This is server key file name along with path. Set TLS version as TLS version 1.3. You can specify the TLS version your broker supports. Save this conf file in the MOSQUITTO folder. Run command prompt in admin mode. These are the 3 terminals we are going to use. Top terminal is for broker, middle for subscriber, and bottom one for publisher. We will run the mosquitto commands here. Also note we are in mosquitto folder. Type this command in the broker terminal specifying test.conf file with the path to run the broker. Add -v to see the details. Run command. Now mosquitto broker is running. The broker is listening on insecure port 1883. Also on secure port 8883. Now we type the mosquitto pub command in publisher terminal. Mention IP address after -h. Copy the IP address from here and paste it in the publisher terminal. Type topic as top1 and port as 8883. Type message as hello pub. Type here ca file name with the path as shown. Type here TLS version used, that is TLS v1.3. Type -d to debug. Press enter key to publish message. Now message is published. Now message is published. We can see new connection from publisher on secure port 8883. We also see the 9 bytes message received by the broker. Copy pub command and paste it into subscriber terminal. Modify it to mosquitto sub command by doing the changes as shown. Press enter now. Now subscriber has got connected with the broker on secure port 8883 and using topic as topic 1. We will publish message again as hello pub again. We can see the subscriber has received the hello pub again message. We have successfully sent the message from publisher client to subscriber client over secure link. That's it for the day. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you liked the video. Please share and like. Subscribe and do comment.